Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed. I know a lot of you been looking at Mr. Belle videos, haven't subscribed. That's all you have to do is subscribe. Hope Mr. Belle been answering your comments in a nice way. Thank you for all the comments, and I'm still going down that list and everything. But today, I just want to wish everybody happy holidays coming up, and Mr. Belle just going to do a little short video of everything you can have on your table for the holidays. If you're wondering how to make dressing, pies, potato salad, mac and cheese, ham, turkey, you know, Mr. Belle have all that on his videos for all my first time watchers. And if you haven't subscribed, you wondering, I'm going to make this, how I'm going to make it. You know, Mr. Belle take you step by step. That's all you have to do. Stroll down and you see what you're looking for. This is the holiday to have a good holiday. The pandemic is over, so you can enjoy the holiday. Just taking it step by step, taking your time, cooking in the Power XL or cooking in the oven. Mr. Belle made a short little video of different things that you can have on your table for this holiday. If you've been thinking about it, this is the time to have it. And using the Power XL, or either just putting that oven on 350 and you could cook it in the oven too. So Mr. Belle just wanted to take that short moment to let you know what he have on here. Show a little video of it. And leave a comment in the box what you would like for me to make before the holidays, and I'll see if I can make it and you have it ready for the holidays. Thank you for watching. Thank you. If you see anything, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, all my brand new viewer watchers, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.